Good morning, children. Welcome to second sem and chapter number 6 division and exercise number 6.2. Let us learn how to solve fill in the blanks. Here, what is the question? If 7 threes are 21, then 21 divided by 3, what is the answer? Okay, so in 3 ones are tables, when will 21 come? You have to read out the tables, or very easy method is, see here, 7 3 21, 21 3, which is missing here? 7. So write here 7. 7 threes are 21. Okay. If 9 6 are 54, then 54 divided by 6 equals 2. I have told you a easy method. See here, 54 is there, 54 is there. 6 is there, 6 is there. What is missing? 9. So directly you can write 9 here. 6 9s are 54. If 5 8s are 40, then 40 divided by dash equals to 5. 40 is there? Yes. 8 is there? No. 5 is there? Yes. So which is not there? 8. So write it here. 8. Now, if 5 2s are 10, then 10 divided by 2 equals 2. 5 is there? No. 2 is there? Yes. 10 is there? Yes. So which is missing? 5. 2 5s are 10. If 3 6 are 18, then dash divided by 6 equals to 3. 3 is there? Yes. 6 is there? Yes. What is missing? 18. So you can fill this gap, 18. 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. If 7 9s are 63, then 63 divided by dash equals to 7. 7 is there? Yes. 9 is there? No. 63 is there? Yes. So what is missing? 9. So now we will know how to solve, match the division form with the multiplication form by drawing a line. Okay. See here, 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. 27 divided by 3 equals to 9. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. So what is my easy method is, now 8 is there. In this row, where you get 8? Yes, I got 8 here and one more 8. So now you have to compare this. 8 is there? Yes. 2 is there? Yes. 4 is there? Yes. So you have to draw the line. And why the other one is not matched? Because 2 and 16 is not at all matching to these numbers. Now, 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. So where is 20? Okay, so directly you can match, because there is no other 20 than this. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. Where is 9? Okay, I got 2 9s. I'll check out with this line. 9 is there. 2 3. So this is cancelled. So we'll go to another 9. So this has the numbers which this A column has. 9 to 18. 18 to 9. 15 3 5. So I'll go to 15. So I'll match this. 27 divided by 3 equals to 9. Yes, I got 27. So directly match. So which is remaining now? Last one. So you understood, children? Now, yes, children. Now we'll go to the third main. For each multiplication form, write the corresponding division form. What is multiplication form? It is here. 8 4s are 32. And how to write division form? They have given one example for us. So that is 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. What I have done exactly? I will explain you. 9 is 72. Whenever this answer, you have to write it first in the both the ways, divided by 8 equals to 9, and here you have to exchange the position. 9 you have to write it here equals to 8. Understood, children? See here one more example. 7 6 are 42. I have told you answer should be written first. Okay. Then division sign is compulsory. Now 6 equals to 7. These numbers again you have to exchange here. First you have to write 7, then 6. 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. Okay. Now next. 8 7s are 56. As I said, write the answer. Then first number is 7 and second number is 8. So here again same 56 divided by, exchange the number, 8 equals to 7. 56 divided by 7 equals to 8. 56 divided by 8 equals to 7. Now last sum. 10 5s are 50. Okay, now last sum I will teach you. So as I said, write answer, then first number is 5, then 10. So now what you have to do? You have to exchange the position. This you have to write in your face. I will send the notes also. Okay, then we will next class, that is exercise number 6.3. Thank you.